Hey everybody, welcome back. This is George for Railroad Dog from the Roman Nico Railroad. And today I got a little video for you. You know, I've been doing some files, some 3D files to print out some excursion cars. Well, you guys seen the Strasbourg car already. And I want to show you what I designed on Tinkercad. And once I print them out, I'll make a video of them all printed. I want to make sure before I release them to the public that they all print out fine. But I just wanted to give you guys a heads up that these files will be on Tinkercad for you guys to download. If you don't have a printer, I'll print them for you. But let me turn the camera around. Okay, the first one is going to be the Strasbourg coach. And this is going to be, the black is going to be a base. This whole part up here you print it out together, which you could glue it on the base once you put your trucks and your wheels, and then you glue on the stairs. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4 pieces to get this complete. The next car is going to be the Dollywood Excursion car, the main car, the one that has the thing back here. This is also going to sit on a base where you could put the trusses. Then you could glue the coach down. This is going to come in separate pieces. This is going to the roof is going to this little second roof is going to print separate. Then you got to print this roof, and then the coach is here. It's going to be open, so you could print that, and then it'll be a lot better to clean instead of the whole roof. And this is the Dollywood main coach, the one that has the thing back here. Continuing. And here we have the Dollywood regular coach. This one is going to have the base, and then it's going to be 3 pieces. You're going to print all this together, the base so you can glue, and then the roof it'll be separate. That way when you print it, it'll be easier to clean out the interior. This next one's going to be the cast car. Now this is prototypical. It's going to have all the correct amount of beams, and this is going to be built. You can either print it in pieces, so that'll be 1 piece, 2 piece. The chair is going to be 3 piece, and this will 4 pieces. So you could either put it on a flat car, lino flat car, regular flat car, or you could put it on the base, which will be included. It's going to have a base on the bottom. The cast car doesn't use stairs, so I didn't put stairs. Just going to have a regular base, where you can put the truss and the wheels, and then just glue this to it, like the rest of the cars. Continuing. This car here, Matt from the Jeb the Train Kid is the one that told me. I didn't even know this existed. This is called the Roaring Camp and Big Tree main coach. It's an excursion out in California, I think it is. And this will also be printed in pieces. It would be the roof, the sides, and the stairs. All the files will be there, and either that or with the supplied base, where you could put the trucks, the wheels, and then glue this to the base. Continuing. This final car is going to be the Roaring Camp and Big Tree Gondola. And this is also going to be on a base, or you could, you don't want to use the base, you could just glue it to a lino flat car. And it's pretty simple to print out. The sides will be printed separate, and the stairs will be printed separate. And then of course you'll get a base if you want to use a base, so you can glue mount your trucks and wheels. Well, there she is. Those are all the ones I've designed so far. I've gotten pretty good at this Tinkercad. I basically design anything now. I've got the thing down pat. All these cars, the files, you could, they're all they're between 9 inches, 8.5, 9 inches long, 3 inches tall by 2.5 inches wide. You could upscale them, downscale them. I'm going to try to do bring them down to HO once I get a dimension of an HO car. I don't have any HO cars, so I'm lost there. Once I go to the train store, I'm going to buy an old boxcar, and I'm going to go from there. But once I print all these out, make sure they all fit good, then I'll make them available on Tinkercad for the user you have. For those of you who have printers, could download them and print them. You don't have printers, I'm going to be selling them on Etsy as a kit. Reasonable price. I'm just charging what it's going to cost me to print them. I'm not going to get rich off of rent or anything like that. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, thumbs up, subscribe, click the little bell button, and have a good weekend. Bye.